course, I'm starting with AdaQuest, and do you have a presentation? And we can start with you.
Yeah, I have a presentation, and just be gentle because for the first time I'm working with different screens, and I hope if I share my screen now that you will see the presentation without my
That's great. We can see it. I'll
okay.
just say I'll give you a warning about 5 minutes before the end, or no, 2 or 3 minutes before the end that you're coming to the end. So for everyone. Okay, carry on.
Okay,
sorry.
Perfect. So I will start now, and yeah, thank you everyone for coming here, and thank you Swarm for having me and giving the possibility to present AdaQuest. And here we are. Welcome to the AdaQuest presentation and clarifying why the heck we are running 8 proposals in Fund 8. So this is the current state of the game, and to not deep dive into the details, because this map is already available online. You can see it on Discord or on Twitter. The most important things are these 3 segments here, because the upcoming releases this month are the NFT items, our game pre-alpha, and finally the phase 1 alpha, what is called AdaQuest dual mode. Yeah, and we hope that we can specially make April the month of releases. So week after week, we will announce something shortly, and things are getting serious. And I hope that while I'm presenting here, the team is already preparing everything to launch the NFT items within the next few days. So what an NFT item look like at AdaQuest? Because if you don't know what AdaQuest is, you can check it out on AdaQuest-.com, and it is possible always to reach out for us on the Discord server and also on Twitter. So if you like the deep dive, you can do it every time. But here, especially when we are talking about the NFT items, you see that every NFT item comes with a randomized appearance and a unique modifier and special abilities. Yeah, and this overview shows you how huge the possibilities are. Yeah, but to keep it always fair, AdaQuest is all about no pay to win, no power creep. Yeah, because all NFT items we will present on our marketplace will be also available through playing and game time, play to earn, as a drop, yeah, as a reward you will get after a duel. So this especially here, like the lizard male skin, has also not only a special rarity and so on, but it also has a special ability. I don't want to deep dive into it, so please keep in mind everything you can ask right after this presentation in the Q&A. This is how it looks like when an NFT item dropped in our game. These are work in progress screens, of course, so nothing is final here, but you see you will finally beat the dwarf here in the fight and get the NFT item and can jump into the next fight. You gain some experience points. So this is what it would look like when the play to earn mechanic will be available on AdaQuest. But I started to clarify why we are having 8 proposals running in Project Catalyst and this funding round. You saw only a short update where our project currently is, but we got a lot of questions also from the assessors and also from all the gamers out there. Why things sometimes took longer than expected. So to be short and in a nutshell, this is what a project management cycle looks like when you developing a game. So from the idea or concept to tech art and design deployment, you start finally to develop a game, polish it and balance it and do a lot of testing, then drop out different versions, and finally you get the chance to publish your release candidate. Why I'm pointing this out? Because everything that happens in between, this stages and the cycle, nobody really seems to consider or to think about. And this is what our proposals are about. You see divided all the parts of the project management cycle here, and every or each proposal we are currently running on Project Catalyst is assigned to a special project cycle segment. Yeah, so like currently AdaQuest Arena, or the dual mode, what we are calling it, is in the finalized stage. We are polishing, and we are of course doing a lot of stuff to bring it online, but we will of course need additional time to make it to the next step. So that's why we are asking for more resources. Yeah, that's why we are proposing on Catalyst. So you can just reach out to us and get more details on the comment section on Project Catalyst. We are always available to talk about this in more detail. So for us, it is very, very important that you not only see the typical project management cycle, but the things in between, and why we are using 8 proposals to be more specific. So let's get back to the fun, because that's why we are also here. And these are some videos we capture from our current development. This is an early stage. The first screen shows you how the character overview looks like, with stats, your level, your character name. This will be also animated, so you will have characters that will show you an animation, not only standing still like here in this early build. The next one is all about the inventory and how you drag and drop items, how you can change your equipment, how you prepare before you fight against your enemy. Of course, your stats will be altered if you are putting different equipment on, and so on. You will get the possibility to filter and to search for your items, because you will not only get NFT items, also basic items within the game. You know this from Diablo and further titles that are similar to our game. And finally, the NFT items viewer, where you can deep dive, see all the stats, all the abilities. You can see your NFT item in a detailed way. This is everything, of course, work in progress, but it is a first insight. Further, also a spoiler for all the mages out there, because mages are one of the favorite classes or destinies for us. This is the ability set. And remember, every AdaQuest destiny or class will have an own set of abilities. So if you play a mage and a special mage, because there are different destinies, like this one with a staff here, he or she will have different abilities than an elf or a dwarf, with a special destiny. So you see a lot of stuff RPG fans like, really, and AdaQuest is all about easy to learn and hard to master. Finally, maybe you have heard already or took part in our Quest token IDO. One of the proposals for Fund 8 is dealing with a Goblinverse, or if you like the buzzword metaverse. So yes, you will be able to own land in AdaQuest. You can build your own tavern, mage tower, room, whatever you like on your property. You can furnish it and so on. But you can read everything regarding this in our Goblin paper or white paper on our website. It's in the download section, and it's possible to deep dive into this special feature of our game. So that's all for today. I try to keep it really fast and not to bother you with all the other things. I guess we have a little bit more time to answer some of the questions you have, I guess. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.